Good morning. Welcome to the Ridgway world. I'm Terry, and Jeff is working. And John is lapping water. He's thirsty. Huh, John? Oh, I need to get you some more, baby. I was just looking around at all these Amazon boxes that have been coming in over the weekend, and he's been ordering stuff. I'm not sure exactly what they are. I mean, this says Halo on it, so I'm thinking it's something to do with the safe room that he wants to do. If you watched the last video, he wants to do a safe room in the basement. So, which is fine. I'm fine, and I think that's what those are. Maybe it's for some sort of lighting. I'm just like making all kinds of little discoveries here. Evidently this came in, and I don't know if let's see if I can hold this, and I'm not sure what this is and why a tool belt or I'm not even going to attempt to say that word. But it's some sort of belt. But if it holds tools, it's very strange looking. So I'm very curious as to what that is. Now this says 6-inch recessed lighting. So it seems like maybe that this is just stuff for the safe room in the basement. But this morning, when I took the dogs out for a walk out back, we go on the trail behind the Morton building back there. We just walk around. And we do that several times a day. But this morning, I noticed something that is totally different, and I want to show you guys. He's up to something else, and I don't know what it is. You guys want to come out with me? Huh? Let me tell you, it's a little chilly today in Pittsgrove. We have some clear sky, which is great. It's just probably in the high 40s. Not bad with the sun shining, huh, Luna? But yeah, this is the walk we take every morning. And yeah, I don't know when he does it. He works outside a lot, so I'm not sure. I'm not sure when it was that he did this, but I don't walk them back here on the weekend, so it had to be on the weekend, because I only do this during the week when Jeff's not home. Then, we just let him run. But will you look at this? Okay, you think? Okay, maybe he's just taking the stump out, right? Right, it's pretty big. It's pretty big. But no, look over here. This is all cleared out. That old fort, oh, excuse me, I'm sipping the stickers. That old fort was more like right around here. And this was all, and he's got markers. Oh my goodness, this thing's stuck to me. See the poles with the orange cloth on them? Right, all right, so let me get the view from this way. Okay, now, doesn't this look like he's planning to do something here? I don't know. I don't know what's going through his mind, because I know, like, he's scattered. He's doing all these different things. It's just, he's totally confusing me. See, here's the other marker. So I don't know. So when he gets home today from work, I'm going to turn the camera on and see what he's got to say. I mean, I would like to know what's going on. I mean, he's worrying me just a little bit. I mean, I understand him being cautious, and it's better be safe than sorry and everything, and whatever makes him happy. But I don't know, this just looks a little bit more like there's a little bit more something going on with him. So he's got some splaining to do. Okay, so he just got home, came in the house, went to the bedroom, changed his clothes, and went outside. And now he's out on the tractor. Wait a minute. Yep, he's back behind there. I hear it. Luna, watch out.
Stump.
I saw it earlier. Why are you digging the stump out?
Because I have to, because that tree's got to come down, these two have to come out, and then I got to take that stump out too this fall. So I figure I'd start it now.
So you're just taking the stump out because it's in somebody's way?
Yeah, it's in my way.
It's in your way. I understand the tree has to come down because it's dead, but why did the stump has to come out of the ground?
I take all the stumps out. All this open areas out, the dead trees, and I take the stump out. This is what I do. You've seen this how many times?
So,
why are you questioning me?
This is brand new. This is all clear. We walk back here every weekday.
Yeah, so do I.
Okay, yeah, but this is all clear. It wasn't before there was brush here, and that fort was in the middle of the, in the middle.
Since when do you care what I do out? Don't go in there, Tuna. Why do you care what I do back here? This isn't affecting anybody. And I don't know why you have to video this.
Because I want to know what you're doing.
Do you ever think
And why do you have markers with orange things on them?
Because of lines and stuff. Do you ever think I'm digging this out because of the rust? Look at all the rust. You think it may be that? Look at all the rust under here because all this crap was laid up against it. You ever think that?
Since when do we need markers for the rust? I don't understand.
What if I want to put a deck off the back or something, or a patio? We go camping all the time. Wouldn't you like to see the woods?
Well, you're telling me all these what ifs.
What ifs? I just do what I want to do, that's all. It's not hurting anybody.
Okay, and all the things that are on the counter, the Amazon boxes, I mean, some of them looks like lights for the basement.
Yeah,
for the safe room. But there's this black belt that doesn't look like a tool, like it would, for hammers or anything. It doesn't look like a tool belt. like, so, and what is that? I don't even recognize the name on it.
Is it elastic?
It's a black belt. It looks like it goes around your waist and
Maybe it's to cover my Dunlap disease.
Jeffrey.
They just go around the waist, you know, for dress clothes. Don't women wear like Spanx and stuff? Maybe this is a Danks, you know, dad Spanx, Danks. Maybe, I don't know. Why are you worried about this stuff?
Well,
I'll
I
take
don't
care of
understand,
things.
like why are you like working outside if you plan on doing the basement? Like you have all these different projects you're doing at the same time.
Haven't you ever
like,
had a day where your priorities change and you want to go to something different? These were all rusty. Look at them. They were all laying up here piled. Mice and rats get under these, make nests. Groundhog, big fat groundhog.
Okay, that makes sense, but then why do you have markers? And to mark where the lines are, what kind of lines?
I could run electric out here for my my deck that I might put off the back here, and I might put a doorway right there to walk out of it. So what if I put a 10 by 40 deck in?
You might.
I might. I'll take care of things. You don't have to worry about what happens out here. You can be on that side of the garage if you want. This is a nice little spot here. Nice back to country living. Everybody wants country living, don't they?
Yeah, I get that.
Do you get that? Well, you're like inquisitive and questioning and...
Well, yeah, because you didn't even mention anything to me about doing any of this.
Do I tell you when I come out and split wood? No.
Usually we talk about if we are going to make... Why would you make a deck off the back of the Morton building? That doesn't make any sense.
Why wouldn't you?
But why would you? That's
I can,
a better question,
isn't it? Because I can
it?
and I want to. I can do it. That's the whole great part about having your own property or your own garage.
So you would sit back here on a deck behind
a wood deck off the back here. Picture
Morton
this:
building.
Adirondack chairs, rockers, sitting back here. Look at this. Which is better when it's summer or springtime with the leaves and everything growing. Wouldn't that be nice to sit back here? Right, Tuna?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
I don't know. It just doesn't make sense to me.
You have all these thoughts in your head that you make up, and then
I'm not making up anything.
No, just like the other night, what did you do? Huh?
What?
You had the boys thinking I'm going batshit crazy? You told them, oh, your father's this, your father's that. He's got all these, ideas of grandeur about the end of the world.
You were being like depressing and like dramatic and doom and gloom. So
I'm not doom and gloom. I'm a solution person. I'm a fixer.
Listen. My purpose there was to let them know.
Yeah. Oh, hey, your dad's crazy, I think. You better talk to him and see what's going on.
I'm not saying you're crazy. I don't think you're crazy. I just don't know exactly what's going on. And I think you're giving me a bunch of bull for this building a deck back here.
It could be a deck. It could be a second story I'm building, a foundation for a second story on my garage. Or maybe we'll get another car. Or maybe I'll put something so I can park my tractor in it because I don't have any room.
Whoa.
Right. You got nothing. You're just guessing and grasping. But just remember, I'm a fixer, all right? I'm going to go start digging my stump out because I had a timetable that I wanted to get that out.
Oh, you have a timetable now.
Yeah, I always have
But we're heading towards winter, so why are you doing this? I don't understand.
I don't follow a procrastinator's rule. Why put off today what you could do tomorrow? I do it today. Since I had to work.
Okay, but like this...
And I'm running out of daylight.
You had acted like the safe room was so important.
Nothing wrong with that.
I don't know.
I had to wait for my lighting to come in, which you seen, and you seen the elastic belt, okay? So then all of a sudden, your mind goes off and you're just wondering what that's for. I told you what it's for. All right? Why are you questioning so much? You're still following me with a camera. I'm going to just walk around the other side of the garage and get back on the tractor. And then look, the dogs. Look, poor John.
Well, I'm not going to lie. I'm a little bit worried and concerned. Like,
why? Why are you concerned about it?
Because, like, you started this last year, right?
Started what last year?
the safe room idea was last year, right?
Yeah.
And then
It's all about priorities.
all of a sudden now it's back because you never did anything, and now it's back.
Right.
And this time it's back with a vengeance. And you're working outside, so and you're doing something which seems like it's a big secret because I don't believe that it's a deck.
When you get intel and it says, "Oh, things may be,"
What?
nothing. If something is somebody says something may be imminent, you then work a little faster at it. Well, when it isn't that imminent right at the moment, you go to something else, and then you go back to it. And then that's how I got to justify stuff in my head. I got it. I got my cans for my recess lighting. Then I'm going to foam the ceiling. Then I'm going to finish putting up the insulation. Then I'm going to block off the windows.
And it's okay that I film it, right?
Film what? That? Why would you film? Why would you want to film that?
Because everybody be interested to see how you're going to do the safe room.
Oh, they got a safe room. Oh, they got a bomb shelter. Oh, and then everybody says, oh, there's a bomb coming. Let's go there.
Wait a minute. Back it up. Back it up.
What?
You said a safe room, and now you're saying a bomb shelter.
No, I'm just saying, what if that was you don't tell people.
Well, hon, when the bomb goes off or whatever you think is going to be happening, what do you think? Nobody's going to be able to come here.
You never know. We had everybody here during the Psycho series, didn't we? Lined up in a driveway. Had to put a gate in. Had to put security cameras in. Had to put everything in. Right? And I'm crazy? No. Yeah. All right, I'm done. I gotta go back to work. Okay? Take your paranoia back in the house, honey. Love you dearly.
Yeah.
I'll fix everything and take care of everything. That's what I do.
Come on, John and Luna. Okay, well, we didn't get very far, did we? Where's John? John! John! I really think he's telling me a story. Either that or it's not that he's telling me a story. He's not telling me the whole thing. I'm sorry. He will put a deck behind him warbling. That doesn't make any sense. We'll just have to keep an eye on him. All right. Have a good day and a great life. Bye. Well, it's about time. Come on, guys. Daddy's losing.